Okay, what is up, everyone? Day 2 of the 5-day video sprint, the Hook'em videos. We're going to practice our hooks and our call to actions. I'm willing to bet that you're spending $5 grand on that Sony camera. Yeah, let's see what we can do in one take. I'm willing to bet that you spending $5 grand on that Sony camera and aperture lights has earned you $0 in the last 12 months. In this video, I'm going to show you how I close $3,000 in a week with these ChatGPT prompts. Hook number 2. If you're waiting around to get monetized by YouTube, you're literally burning cash in a fire pit. In this video, I'm going to blah, blah, blah. All right, let's do some call to actions. If you want to start screenshotting your Stripe notifications because your next digital product is on fire, then download this free ChatGPT launch sequence. Click the link down below, add your email, and start sending out these emails. If you want to see how I was able to make $3,000 last week with nothing but ChatGPT, If you want to see how I was able to make $3,000 last week with nothing but some copy-paste ChatGPT prompts, then click the link down below and hit the download button on the next page. Nice.